Okay, a little bit more investigation and planning into the EG4 mini split systems and the solar panel setup on there. As I mentioned in one of my other videos, I was planning on getting one 24,000 BTU unit and two 12,000 BTU units. Both of those are capable of having solar power directly to them because they're hybrids. So anyway, trying to get a little bit more information in here. If you go to the Signature Solar site and you look up under, basically you come in here to high efficiency appliances, and that's going to bring you to this page where all of these are. And so I'm just going to go back to this one I was looking at here. This is the same unit if you don't get the panels or you do. And I'm going to download the spec sheet because it has both the 12 and the 24 on it. So we can come in here and we can see all of our information that we need to know. Now, right off, what I want to know is the maximum voltage on the PV that they can have. And let's see if I can find that real quick. That's indoor system, electrical DC. Okay, electrical DC, maximum PV voltage, 380 volts. Now if I go over and look at the specs on the solar panels that I'll probably be getting, I believe if I buy them with the solar panels, I believe it comes with the 410 watt ones of the Series PV, I believe. Could be wrong. But these are the ones I'll probably go ahead and get because I'm thinking about buying the units first and then coming back with solar panels. So I want to look at the specs of these. If I come down here, I've got the 405s, 410s, which is the ones I think I'm going to be going with 410s. And what I'm looking at is it looks like I'm going to be, let's just say, in the 37.32 volts per panel on there. Now, if I buy the 12,000 BTU units with solar panels, they come with 4. The 24,000 comes with 8. So what I'm thinking about doing is doing 8 with the 24,000 and then wiring 8 more in series to power 2 of these 12,000 BTU units. So if I come over here and I go 37 point, I forgot, 37.32. If I do 37.32 times 8, and that equals 298.56. So I'm below the 380 something volt, I believe it was. Let's go back here to this 380 volts. So I'm below that. And so that's what I probably am going to do is go ahead when I get ready to get solar panels, buy 16 of them, and then put 8 of them in series and another 8 in series. And so they'll have 2 of the 12,000 BTUs running on 8 in series together. They'll both share that bank. And then the 24,000 BTU will run 8 by itself. So for a total of 16 panels. And I've calculated it up, and it's only a couple of $100 more for me to buy the panels separate. And because the 24,000, if you buy it with the panels, only comes with 7. I want 8. So there's another $170 something, $180 right there for that additional panel. But that's what I'm planning on doing right now. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. Any of y'all that have done this before, good idea or bad idea, let me know. So we're going to go ahead and call it quits, get out of here. If you would, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. All of that helps grow my channel right now, which I need to do because, you know, I'm not going to get any financial help with any of this from sponsors, you know. Not going to happen. So all of this is going to come out of my pocket. If you do feel like you want to donate something to me, you can buy me a cup of coffee. There'll be a link in the description below. Anyway, appreciate everybody keeping up with me. Still going to be a while before I start doing all this. First thing's going to be the electrical on the grid power, getting all that done, and then getting the conduit on the house run for the DC or the PV voltage cabling. All right, so I'm out of here. See you in the next one.